Finally, we have a micro lesson that's not so challenging: content management. Why is it not so challenging? Well, every learning management system can do content management. That's really the core of being a learning management system, is that you can manage content. And what does that mean? Well, primarily it means that you can upload different types of content into the LMS and manage them centrally. And so that might be a PowerPoint presentation that you bring in. But other than just save as in like a Google Drive and just saving it into a drive, when you bring it into a learning management system, you basically wrap metadata around it. So you can say things like what it is, give it a description, give it tag words, categorize it, place it into the content, manage it centrally so that it could be assigned to this job A type of user, or it could be assigned to job B type of user, or potentially it could be as part of a plan or an assembly of learning objects that are put together for one purpose or another, a curriculum or a training plan or a training journey. And the pieces that make up that training journey is that same PowerPoint, for example. Well, LMSs can manage different types of learning content, and that's really what makes them good for different types of situations. For example, some LMSs are really good at managing event and instructor based learning examples. So they're good at live events, conferences, things like that, or just running an instructor led training traditional type program of trainers and training facilities and brick and mortar, while other LMSs are really good at all the online training aspects of managing all the different types and standards of content like SCORM and XAPI and LTI. And some LMSs are good at both of those. But as you'll find out, that there is just dozens and dozens of different types of learning content that are possible, all the way to the advanced stuff like virtual learning or virtual reality and augmented reality type learning would be supported in some LMSs and not others. So the ability to manage content of the type that your organization needs is a key requirement for most organizations that are buying a learning management system. And so content management at its simplest is just creating a central repository that has all of your content that is categorized and ready for learner consumption.